Hi Lou, I wanted to show you how to upload the a video of that listening to YouTube. So I'm just going to click on the 9 dots and go to YouTube here. And then I guess I've already set up my YouTube account. And now I'm going to go to create, upload video. Just waiting, it looks like. Okay, so now I need to select a file to upload. And I put this under your file here. And it's negotiating a price. I just added a picture to it. Negotiating a purchase. So I'm clicking on it and open. Okay, so it's uploading the video. And while it's doing that, I'm just going to check the permissions on it. So I'll scroll down here. Is this video made for kids? No, it's not made for kids. Okay. And it looks like I'm still waiting for that. It's processing the video. So next. And I'm going to scroll down here. And next. Okay. I'll just close this. And it says it's processing. I guess I'll just click next. And I want this to be private. And I believe it's share privately. So let everyone at emcnlink.com view. Done. And I added a picture to it to make it look better. And now I'm going to save it. Actually, I'm going to copy the link first and save it. And it's processing. So it looks like that is done. So now we can use that one for the class.